access the Pathways to Care Plan Management dashboard, you will be sent an email to create a login. Once in the dashboard, you can access multiple reports and view your invoices. You have a budget report showing your plan's start and end dates. The top bar represents the time elapsed and the overall budget spent. Below this bar, your plan managed support budgets are displayed. The support budgets are split out into subcategories displaying the total allocation of funding, how much has been delivered, and how much is remaining. It's important to note that if you have a PACE plan, you may see negative balances in your core categories, as our dashboard reflects the NDIS PACE portal. The Delivered Services report can be filtered to show supports delivered by individual item numbers, categories, providers, or service periods. The Budget Forecast report will help you keep track of your budget. Based on your current spending, the report will indicate if you are spending within your budget or on a projected overspend. The report will also give an estimated date of when the budget will be exhausted. The Service Provider Category Budget Report will show funding allocated to providers. This funding is based on your service agreements and will indicate how much each provider has spent. The Monthly Overview report displays your overall spending for each month. If you are set up for invoice approval, you can view invoices under the Pending Invoice tab. This will be red if you have invoices waiting to be approved. However, if you are not set up for invoice approval, you can view all invoices paid under the Invoice List tab, including a copy of the original invoice PDF. If you would like a more detailed demonstration of the dashboard, please reach out to our friendly team.